Today in GialloZafferano kitchens, I will prepare the most classic of creams, pastry cream. Shall we begin? Let's begin by pouring the milk. Let's add the seeds and the beans of the vanilla, cut into small pieces. I would like to remind you that vanilla is the most powerful and natural aroma we know. Each gram can flavor 10,000 grams of some other food. Let's put the lemon zest, just the yellow part. Let's turn the stove on. Let's take a soft whisk. In another pan, we pour the egg yolks. And now the sugar. Then the rice starch. I used the rice starch to get a softer cream. If you want it more consistent, use maize starch. The quantities are identical. I mix. In order to obtain an excellent cream, you must never let sugar and starch rest without mixing them with yolks, because you would cook yolk, that is, it would become lumpy. It must be creamy but not foamy. Now I take a strainer, remove the milk that is boiling, I pour it in 3 times in the yolks to get a consistent density. Now I let cook while stirring continuously. Do not force the whip in your hand. If you heat the milk beforehand, the yolk won't be affected by the high temperature, giving a taste of freshness to the aroma. It begins to thicken. The cream has thickened. In order to cool it down quickly, I take a bowl that I had in the freezer. I have to bring the cream to 50 degrees below the cooking point. See? When the cream remains shiny, it means you have a good cream. And the cream is ready. The cream can be stored in the fridge between 0 degrees and 4 degrees, covered by a film. It is the queen of all creams. With the pastry cream, you can make semifreddo. With the pastry cream, you can do everything you like in the dessert world. You can use it as base for puffs or sponge cake. Just make your brain work. You will get everything you desire. Enjoy your pastry cream.